J-Bet, seriously, daddy?
How that come in, my lad?
You have to go find somebody to look after your pitney them.
I need a favor.
More the money you owe me.
Right now, your secretary go down there, Lego, him a go Lego. And the girl don't got him like a piece of puppet already.
Normally, I don't see them thing out, man. How I go on?
Nah, let you nobody, man. I take no check.
We are going good still, but I only one lucky thing I see we go on. Probably my car this is here.
Okay, my pussy never tell.
Darman.
Who?
Is that man?
All type of mix up them come with that one, mash up a relationship.
So you see what I tell me about?
You see, whenever this man come look for you and it reach down to the bedroom part, you better wear protection.
Ever since Miss Keisha jumping in your life, a bag of things. She good enough, so.
Keisha love me. None of them can tell me nothing.
Better girl where you run back and you give your money.
You know, me just get the money from the dummy.
What kind of business you say you're going?
You know, say some Easter bun.
I mean, I just say you're going out the bun thing, my lad.
How are you here?
And the one Keisha got married in that.